What's up everyone, it's Kyle from Color Expression, back with another swatch and review. I'm so excited to be partnering up with Cirque Colors today to look at their brand new Daylight collection. If you liked their Afterglow collection from last year, then you're probably going to enjoy this collection as well. We're getting 2 permanent jelly shades and 4 limited edition toppers that are inspired by the color-changing sky and rays of sun shining through the clouds. These are all available today from the Cirque Colors website, which I will link down in the description if you want to check any of them out. If you don't know much about Cirque Colors, they are an independent nail polish brand that is based out of the USA. They are vegan and cruelty-free, and their formula is 10-free. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new here and you enjoyed these swatches today, I do hope that you'll consider subscribing. Also, turn on the notification bell so you're not missing out on any new Cirque Colors or nail polish content. I think it's time we get on to the swatches. I'm starting out today with my Cirque Colors Get Ready base coat, but feel free to use your base coat of choice because all of these jellies and toppers are going to remove easily with just acetone or nail polish remover. First up, we will look at Morningtide, which is this soft, powdery blue jelly. So jellies are still a finish that I am warming up to, and recently I have fallen in love with them. They're just so unique and so fun to use. For this one and the next one in this video, I did layer them up in 3 coats, but you realistically could stop here at 2. I think that this is a great finish to look, but I do like the 3rd coat coverage, and with the toppers too later in this video, each of the shades are going to be built up in 3 coats. I personally like that, but I do see the appeal of just 2 coats. You get a little bit more of that nail line. It's a little bit softer and lighter, but I love this shade. I think it's such a nice color for spring, and again, paired with the toppers later in this video, this one just looks so good. I can't wait to show them. Next up, we will look at Lavender Sky, which is a sheer pastel lilac-y purple jelly finish again, and something Cirque mentions is using 1 coat, like you can see right here, that actually will help to negate or counteract some staining. So you can see that my nails are super stained, but if you put on 1 coat and then use that as a quote-unquote base under jellies or some like negative space nail art, it's gonna just brighten up your nail, make it look a little bit lighter and definitely less yellow. So it's almost like if you ever had dyed blonde hair and then you use purple shampoo to make it less yellow, if that makes sense. It's almost like that same kind of effect going on here. So I really like this shade. I love this jelly. I'm so happy to add it to my collection and to play around with it and pair it with just some of the other stuff I have in my collection. I think that this one is really nice and versatile. For the first topper, we will look at Azure Dream, which is a very, very, very lightly blue tinted base. And then in there, we're getting this shimmery pigment that head on is a sort of pinky magenta color. And then similar to a multichrome, this one is going to shift color as you see it in different angles of light. So in this shot, you can't really tell, but in the next one, you'll be able to see that we're getting hints of orange and gold and a little bit of green at that really extreme angle, which I thought that was so cool. I loved how shifty this is, and just that range of color is really nice, but also the blue base isn't so tinted that it's going to change the color you put it over. So you can see here, we're still getting that beautiful lilac-y purple. It's not diluting that base color at all, which I thought was really cool, and it's just a nice, pretty soft topper. The next 2 are really cool in that they had siblings in the Afterglow collection that were gold. So before we got a gold metallic flake topper, but this time we're getting a silver one. So you can see on application with just 1 coat, we're getting a lot of flakes, a lot of coverage. I was very impressed with the amount that came off the brush with just 1 dip into the bottle. So you're not gonna have to go fishing around or playing around with this on your nail to get it nice and spread out and even. I love this topper. I feel like silver isn't too common for this type of topper. We're usually getting things like this in gold, so I love that Cirque kind of took that and put their own twist on it. It's such a nice polish in the end. I'm really happy to add it to my collection. It definitely has me inspired to try it out with some stuff, and I feel like this one would be really cool as a jelly sandwich where you put another jelly layer over this topper, so then it would be like colored metallic flakes underneath. And same thing for this one, Nimbus. So we're getting all of these really tiny sort of glitter shimmer shimmers. I'm not really sure how to categorize them. I feel like it could go both ways, like if it's both categories, but they're these really small silver pigment that bounce the light back. It's so gentle and soft, but at the same time, it's very glittery and kind of in your face in a way. Definitely under bright light, you're seeing a lot of sparkle, a lot of shine, and I feel like pairing this one with the last one or with the gold counterpart from the Afterglow collection, I think that would look so pretty, or with the gold flake topper that they came out with, or some hollow, or just, I don't know. I feel like this one's really versatile. I'm a big fan of that subtle little sparkle, so I definitely recommend picking this one up if you like it. For the final topper, and honestly, probably my favorite topper, my favorite in this collection, I love this polish so much. We have Lumiere. So we're getting this gold scattered holographic glitter topper. You can see they're very small, very fine little glitters, but the amount that you get with just one brushstroke or like one coat was so amazing to me. I loved how transformative this was. I cannot wait to try this one over black or any other color, any dark color. I feel like these are going to sparkle and light up so nicely like little stars. This is going to go great in a galaxy manicure, or just, I don't know. I don't know if you can hear the excitement in my voice, but I love this topper and I legitimately might grab like 2 backup bottles because it's limited edition and it's so pretty and unique. I've never seen anything like this. I'm totally obsessed with this one, you guys. Now that we have seen the shades in this new collection, I want to hear your thoughts on them, so leave a comment down below. Let me know which one was your favorite and which ones you're thinking of picking up. I love the versatility of this collection because we're getting these 2 beautiful new jellies, but then with those 4 toppers, there's just so much you can do. You can pair them together, you can pair them over shades you have, or other jellies, or you can do sandwiches, or just all this different stuff. So I'm so excited to see what you guys come up with and what ideas I get to use these toppers with and on top of. It's just like there's so much to do and not enough fingers to do it on. Like I mentioned earlier, if you're new here and you enjoyed this video today, then I do hope that you'll consider subscribing down below. We have a lot of fun stuff coming up on the channel and I don't think you're going to want to miss out on any of it. I think that's going to be it for this one today though. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Come here, my little mouse. Is that how you're comfortable? You want to just do this intro for me?